It was a great performer when Lancair first designed it, but today, the TTX is Cessna's fastest single-engine airplane.
The Cessna TTX actually traces its roots back to the mid-90s and was spawned out of a NASA project looking for the next generation of general aviation transport aircraft. And it really wasn't until 2007 when, at that time, the Columbia 350 and 400 aircraft merged with the Cessna product line. And it was after that improvements were made. Cessna saw an opportunity in what is now the TTX to fill an important need within our aviation family.
The TTX is loaded with advanced features, like a wing leading edge cuff that preserves airflow over the wing at high angles of attack. And most airplanes are ordered with the TKS Weeping Wing Ice Protection System. In the cockpit, side stick controls and Garmin's two-screen G2000 avionics are the rule, complete with a center-mounted touchscreen controller. A standard equipment oxygen system for high-altitude cruising on those long trips, and even a panel-mounted pulse oximeter to monitor your oxygen level. The TTX also has good runway performance. It can take off using less runway than its nearest competitor, the Cirrus SR-22T. In fact, takeoffs are 800 feet less at 7,000 feet and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The TTX can also climb to flight level 250 6 minutes faster and 20 nautical miles sooner than the Cirrus SR-22T. In high-speed cruise, the TTX can fly you in style, with an 85% power range of 800 nautical miles. That same trip will take just 3 hours 37 minutes, burning 90 gallons of fuel. Designed to optimize both business and pleasure flying, situational awareness is optimal with the G2000. And for all its high-performance attributes, it's easy to land. Bottom line, the Cessna TTX may be one of the best high-value, best-kept secrets in today's fleet of new airplanes, anywhere. Tom Horne, AOPA Live.